are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show, Cooking with Jack show. My name is Jack Scalfani. If you're new to the show, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can find out anytime we have new videos. Okay, so today we're doing an experiment, okay? We're doing a continuation of the food prepping series. And one of the things that you should have on hand are filter straws. And we're not talking about like prepping for, let's say, the government invading your, no crazy stuff. But like there was an earthquake, Hawaii had to evacuate. They grabbed their supplies. These straws come in handy if the water gets dirty or undrinkable or whatever. So what I did was I picked up the 4 best rated straws for drinking through and filtering the water. And then we're going to try them out. So I got a little bit of dirt. We're going to dirty the water up a little bit and drink some dirt. Are you guys ready? All right, come on in close and I'll show you which 4 brands I got. You got this one from Nature Nova. Whoever I think the winner is, I will put a link down below so you can pick up some for your family. Not sure the brand on this, but it's completely sealed. This one's called Uklit is the company. Pretty heavy duty. It's a big size. We'll pop that open in a minute. That one's heavy duty too. And let me show you. So this one right here, the Nature Nova. Okay. Just want to show you. These straws do hundreds and hundreds of gallons of water. Okay. Then there's this brand. I don't see a company name. Maybe we'll see it when we rip this open. Okay. There's that one. Then there's this one. This one, whoops, I'm losing everything. Great. Okay, this one's heavy duty. Look at this one. This one is LifeStraw. That's some great packaging there. So I'm gonna set this up. I'll put some water in here, put some dirt in the water. We're gonna use this in case we need to, I'll take a drink of the dirty water, spit it in here, see if it comes out clean. So we're gonna test this out. So let's get everything set up. All right, guys, got a thing of clean water right here. We're gonna dirty it up. I don't think I need the spoon. I'll just dump some dirt in there. No, probably use a spoon. Get it all mixed up. I think it's connected properly. Let's give it a try. Well, like one speck of dirt came through. Everything else was clean. That was so hard. That was so difficult. I've never used one of these straws. So if that's the way it is, I mean, you got to be like dying to go through this. So let's try one of the other straws. Okay, let's try this one. Here we go. Clean. To comment on the first one, super hard, but it was clean. It was clear. Second one, a little bit easier, probably not as heavy duty of a straw. It was clean. I got water to come through. That was also clean water. Let's go with straw number 3 now. All right, guys, this is the Uklit. I guess it's pronounced Uklit water filter. It doesn't have a straw, so I'm just going to submerge it. Sorry. That doesn't have a straw extension, but it's way easier. That one's my favorite so far. Okay, guys, it came out clear. Uklit was easiest of all 3. I haven't tried this one yet. This one was highly rated the most, so I'm hoping this will work. This one is LifeStraw. It doesn't have a straw extension. I kind of like the feel of this one the best. Let's try it out. Claire, that is the best. This was the most highly rated of all of them. That's why we left it for last. Good job, guys. So LifeStraw is the winner. Like the first one, forget it, guys. That was painful. I almost had an aneurysm. This one here, clear, tastes good, dirty water. So that was the perfect test. So go with LifeStraw. I'll put a link down below. I got to pick up a few more now. This is good.